Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set a stop loss on Etrade. First, understand that a stop loss order is a powerful tool designed to limit your potential losses on a security. It instructs your broker to sell a stock once it hits a certain price point, known as the stop price. This helps protect your investments from significant downturns, giving you peace of mind in volatile markets. Etrade offers two primary types of stop-loss orders, the standard stop order and the stop limit order. A standard stop order, once triggered by your specified stop price, converts into a market order, aiming for immediate execution. Conversely, a stop limit order, upon reaching the stop price, transforms into a limit order, ensuring it's only filled at your limit price or better. Understanding these differences is key to effective risk management. To place a stop-loss order on Etrade, first log into your account and access the trading platform. Locate the security you want to protect and initiate a sell order or a buy to cover if you're short. In the order entry screen, find the order type drop-down menu. Here, you'll select either stop or stop limit, then input your desired stop price and other relevant order details before confirming. Once your stop-loss order is placed, it's crucial to monitor it regularly. Market conditions can change rapidly, so be prepared to adjust your stop price as needed to reflect new information or your evolving strategy. Remember, while stop orders are powerful, they do not guarantee execution at the exact stop price, especially in fast-moving markets. This is known as slippage. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.